Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone is having a great Saturday today. My name's Nate. I'm with Budget Auto, and I'm bringing you guys today another vlog. That's right, I know that my channel is not entirely dedicated to vlogging, but it seems like that's all I've been doing lately because I've been so busy working on my project car for this year. Today we have a lot of things to do. They say you only have 24 hours in a day, and your success depends on how you use it. If you're watching this YouTube video, turn it off, come back, watch it later, go out and get something done. So I'm going to work on mowing the lawn today. I'm helping my mom clean the house. I'm going to help my dad do a few projects, and then we're going to go and work on the Audi. So it's going to be a day full of fun, because then we got to end it all with a meeting in Cody. Well guys, that lawn took forever to mow, and actually after I mowed the lawn, my buddy wasn't able to work on the Audi, so instead I went and helped my dad, and now I've got a meeting in Cody, hence the wardrobe change. So I'm not going to get to work on the Audi today, which I'm super bummed about. So anyways guys, I don't want to upset anyone, so I still want to make this video worth your time watching. I'm going to introduce to you guys a pickup truck that my dad bought brand new back in 1984 for his college vehicle. The reason I'm introducing this vehicle to you guys today is because with the Audi down and not really going as planned or as I quite want it to go for my project car this year, I'm already kind of thinking about what I want to do for a project vehicle this next year, and unfortunately guys, I'm kind of done having a European car at the moment. I really wanted my next project car to be maybe a Mercedes-Benz, something like that. I'm just gonna kind of hands off, stay away from BMW all the time, but Audi's been super fun. It's a Volkswagen. It makes it super difficult to work on, and it's been quite a bit of a challenge, more so than I was expecting, which is really exciting for me because I get to learn about all these problems and go through it and stuff. But I kind of wanted the car to drive, so I'm not putting so many miles on the FX4. So anyways, next year I'm probably thinking of doing some sort of American-made vehicle to work on, maybe something like that. But anyways, I want to show you guys the vehicle that I'm thinking of as the project vehicle. I'm going to introduce it to the channel, to you guys. So I'm introducing my dad's 1984 Ford Ranger. So guys, obviously if I make this my project vehicle for the next year, it does need a lot of work. I've always wanted to wait until I was in the financial position to be able to fully restore this pickup, since it is something special to my dad. He bought it over buying a Corvette, a 79 Corvette. That's a story to come. But this was a great pickup. He's got 171,000 miles on it. And right now, really all that's wrong with it is the vacuum tubes and vacuuming system, whatever it's called, is shot. It could use a new wiring diagram, and the carburetor of the truck is absolutely garbage. So to make this vehicle run, I could probably do it for about $100, have it back on the street. It's got good tires on it, surprisingly, after having sat for about 4 years. Yeah, but I'm super excited. Let me know what you guys think. Is this my next project vehicle? I want to hear it from you in the comments below. And yeah, that's kind of all I've got for you guys today. Sorry for the uneventful video or the uneventful blog. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got lots of great content to come for you guys. Please like this video if it's helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next one.
Next level.